Hello and welcome to Tech Trainer. In this video, you will get to know about 5 freelancing skills, and you don't need any background knowledge to achieve these skills. Within a day, you can earn minimum knowledge and you can start earning. Okay, these skills are very common. You will say that we already know about them, but how I don't need any knowledge or skill to start working. Okay, I will explain everything in this video. Okay, so first of all, it is graphics design. Look, graphic design is a huge sector and many people choose a subsector and start earning, like business card, logo. Maybe logo is the most popular, but you can you don't need to go to an institution and do a course for earning skills. Look, there are some subsector, like for example social media post. You can easily design a social media post. You can watch a video in YouTube about how to design a social media post. You can easily get to know it. But there is Canva. By Canva you can easily design social media posts. You don't need any background knowledge. All you have to just change the text and image. Look, there are Facebook posts, Facebook cover, there's Instagram post. Look, you don't need to have any background knowledge to design social media post in Canva. There are huge number of templates. You can go to Fiverr and you can search social media post or social media post Canva. And you see, people are earning a great amount of money with social media post with 25 USD, 30 USD, 25 USD. Look, he has 3 order active. So you also will get a project in freelancer.com, upwork. Fiverr is the best option. And for Canva, you can search on YouTube that how to get Canva Pro, how to design Canva, and you will get a Pro link in description and you can easily get the Pro subscription. Okay, now the second skill is web design. Maybe you are thinking about how is it possible. Look, in web design there are many sectors like UI design, UX design. For UI, you must have to knowledge about Figma, PSD, but you know what? You can create websites in Wix, Squarespace. To design website in Wix, Squarespace, you need a very simple amount of knowledge. Okay. So in Wix, you don't need to create a full design. Like there are huge templates, all you have to customize them. You can watch 2 or 3 videos from YouTube about Wix and you can easily design a website. If you go to Fiverr, if you search Wix landing page, I will design Wix website redesign, I will design Wix landing page. Within only one day, you can get to know how to design a website in Wix. Look, if I go to Wix, look, you don't need domain hosting. It is all free. You have to select edit a template. There are huge templates. All you have to just design. Go to edit. It takes a little bit time. you can see all you have to change the text, image. These are very easy. Okay, this is how you can earn a good amount of money. Look, you must have to watch few tutorials, but for 2 or 3 hours, and that's enough. Okay, now the third skill I'm talking about is digital marketing. Guys, if you have passion about earning, you no need to be panic. Look, you can watch a tutorial of social media ad boosting. It will take only 20 to 25 minutes or maximum half an hour, and you can start earning money by go to Fiverr. If you search Facebook ad boosting, look, I'll set up and manage your Shopify Facebook ads. It means in the advertise he will add a website link. That's it. I will boost Facebook page or Instagram boost and organic audience. It start from 10 USD, 100 USD. He has already one order in active. So all you need is just research and a passion. Okay. And number four, the skill I am talking about is lead generation. It is also a part of digital marketing. Okay, lead generation means look, I will do linking, research, B2B lead generation, data entry. I will do linking, lead generation. You have to collect a data from LinkedIn or websites. Like your client will ask you for his business, he need 200 information about email or mobile number. You have to collect them. So there are some tools you can use for lead generation. Maybe I have one installed already. I'm not sure. Is it here? Yes, Apollo email finder. If you will add this extension and go to LinkedIn, you can collect data. Look, for lead generation, you just have to go to YouTube and again search lead generation tools. You can collect 2 or 3 tools for free, and then you start earning money. You no need a hard work, nothing. All you have to use the tool and save them to your Microsoft and transfer to your client. That's it. Okay, the last number 5 is video editing. Guys, I know it is a very high professional skill, but still you can earn by video editing. Like if you search YouTube intro, guys, there are almost 6,100 gig on YouTube intro outro. It means gigs are very minimum and you have high chance of earning money. To create YouTube intro outro, you can use Camtasia Studio, even you can create intro outro with your mobile phone. If you search on YouTube how to design YouTube intro outro, how to create YouTube, it is only 30 seconds to 1 minute. This is a minimum duration. So just for a 1 minute video, you can easily create it by watching tutorial in YouTube. So you also can earn money by video editing. So guys, these were 5 freelancing skills I was talking about. All you need is passion and research and start earning. So I hope you like this video, and if you like, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. So stay happy, healthy. Till then, tata, goodbye.